Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this Lotus Biscoff chocolate brownies, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. Items needed for the brownies will be dark chocolate, cocoa powder, brown sugar, white sugar, all-purpose flour, Biscoff spread, vanilla extract, Biscoff cookies, butter, salt, and eggs. So here I'm using my new mixer that I got recently, and I'm attaching the head over here. Okay, once you're ready, you can add in your eggs and your white sugar plus your brown sugar, and then you can start mixing. While you're still beating the eggs and the sugar, make sure you beat it until it's creamy. Now you can grab a bowl and add in your dark chocolate and also the butter so that we can microwave it. So I actually microwave around somewhere between 30 to 60 seconds, so it actually depends on your microwave. Do what works for you. And yeah, once you're done with that, then you can just mix your chocolate and the butter, make sure that it's both combined. That well, so you can add it together in your batter and then continue mixing. Now you can add in your cocoa powder and then your salt and your vanilla extract and just continue mixing as you go. So ever since I got the mixer, it actually makes my life so much easier. I don't have to manually hold the beater, so actually I can you know, take a rest and just add in ingredients whenever I need to. So once this is beating, I can prepare the flour and then you can add it in together. And since mine is like a 6-liter bowl, so I can just dump everything in so that it won't splash out. Anyway, I have the splash guard on the top, so you can add in everything at once and just continue beating. It's just that the sides might not be fully mixed in, so later on I will just scrape that off and just continue mixing as you go. And then after that you can start on your Biscoff cookies. Now they are done with the batter, you can start preparing the cookies. So you can get how many cookies you want. I just got like these few, so I didn't really use that much. If you want, you can add in more. So just add in all the cookies into a bag and then just make sure that you crush them into smaller bits, or if you I mean not that small, of course it's depending on what's your preference. So I didn't beat it that small. I left some to be bigger and some to be smaller, so just do as per what you think you would like. Next, you can get your pan and just line it, and then you can add in the cookies on top and just make sure they are like fully coated. So I didn't really put that much at the bottom because I was gonna save some for later. Once you're happy the bottom, just add the brownie on top, and then just make sure they're fully coated, so just trying to go to the sides and everywhere. Then once you're done adding that, we can start with the Biscoff spread. Okay, this called for my microwaving the Biscoff spread to make it a little thinner, but I didn't want to do that because I didn't want it to be too incorporated with the batter, so I actually just added without microwaving. But of course, if you want, you can microwave it, and then you can easily swirl later. So later on, I'll just have a little bit more harder time to swirl it, but I didn't really taste the Biscoff spread at the end. But of course, I added the Biscoff cookies on top as well. And I also did microwave it at the end, which I mean I didn't include this here, but actually microwave it and just added like a some kind of like a topping after baking everything. Like I was saying earlier, I kept some of the biscuits for the last part. So now I'm adding it on the top. And you know, it's up to you if you want to add it this way or just add in the cookies without being crushed. So after this, I will be putting in the cookies, just breaking it into half and just making it kind of look nice. Once you're ready to bake, you can bake at 180 for 30 to 40 minutes. Just monitor between the 30 and 40 minutes. So for me, I won't really say that I'm a brownie fan, but I mean I do eat brownies, but I mean it's not something that I really love so much. So doing this because I love Biscoff spread, but not so much of the cookies. So I actually really love this brownies a lot. And it really looks super nice, so I was proud of myself. Yeah, so once you're done baking it, then you can just cut them into pieces, and I also send them to a really close friend of mine to, you know, to let her try this. So she also loved it, and I'm really glad that it turned out really well, because I didn't think that these two would go together, but I actually saw this and decided I wanted to make this so badly. So I actually had to make it for myself, and I actually love it. So I would definitely make this again. And if you really like brownies and Biscoff spread, then definitely need to try this. So I also froze some also to keep it for later on if I want to try them again. Yeah, so that's the end of my video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the recipe, let me know, or if you try it also, let me know if you have any comments or anything like that. And see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be